मोबाइल नंबर इस टाइप कर ले जो जिम्मेदार हो, जो हम लोग जानना चाहें बता सकें। ये भी एक क्वेरी है।
वैसे हम जो है वेबसाइट पे सारी चीज़ें क्लियर करके डालें।
फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं बताने वाला तो यहाँ फोन लगाओ, पता नहीं पैसे जमा हो गए, आप खत्म हो गए, अगर आपको इसी में कहीं आगे कोई बात नहीं, बट उसको पैसे भरूंगा। हाँ, वो टीचिंग प्रॉब्लम है, बट मैं कह सर मतलब
सेटअप करना है।
हाँ नहीं, आई अंडरस्टैंड।
उससे पहले हमारा प्रोसेस तो कहीं और से चल रहा है।
ट्रांजिशनल फेज में थोड़ी बहुत अटकी शुरू में रहती है, आगे धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट आउट हो जाती है। ट्रांजेक्शन में स्टिल प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, ट्रांजेक्शन में स्टिल प्रॉब्लम आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि सबमिट करने का लास्ट डेट परसों मैं कल से उस दिन बैंक सर्वर की प्रॉब्लम रही होगी, उस पर्टिकुलर डे में हो सकता है बैंक सर्वर की कोई टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अभी फीस पे कर सकते हैं क्या? अभी यहाँ पर पे कर सकते हैं कार्ड से, तो सिस्टम बनाया होगा, वो नेट से करना पड़ेगा।
क्योंकि एक्चुअली हमारे पास मेल सिर्फ एक ही बाउंस होके आएगा, बाकी पेमेंट कर पा रहे हैं, कौन सा ब्राउजर यूज़ कर रहे हैं, मतलब कंप्यूटर पे कि फ़ोन पर। ठीक है, मुझे भी
आप बेटा बैठे
आपकी लिमिट की जमा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो 2.45 तो किसी को लिमिट है, क्योंकि आपको कह के बढ़ेगी या ऐप से बढ़ेगी,
रिजेक्टेड करके बार
यही हुआ। एक्चुअली नॉर्मली कार्ड की लिमिट बाई डिफॉल्ट 35 रुपये ऐसी कुछ सेट होती है, और नेट बैंकिंग की ऐसी कुछ सेट होती है, तो जब तक आप उसको वहाँ जाकर बढ़ाएंगे नहीं या बैंक में उस बात नहीं करेंगे, तो आपकी इतना अमाउंट बाई डिफॉल्ट हो जाना नहीं करते हैं, तो आप उसको अलग करना पड़ेगा, या आप RTGS के थ्रू पे कर दीजिए, ये प्रॉब्लम शेयर कर दिया आपको।
वो लोग आए हैं इधर पास आए
क्या देखिए बैलेंस शीट के पास मिला है। अच्छा, आपकी प्रॉब्लम ये वाली प्रॉब्लम है ना, ठीक, इसको हम थोड़ा सा
जमा कैसे करें?
आप लोग हमारे साथ हैं कैंपस फोर में, ठीक है,
एक और है, आप हमारे साथ
सर बी का
आइए।
मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहिए
और लोग आगे आ जाइए सर। हाँ जी
हमारे शेड्यूल होगा जिसमें एक पर्टिकुलर उतने बच्चे ही आकर के यहाँ पे दे सकते हैं, टाइम शेड्यूल एकदम फिक्स होगा। किसी बच्चों को पहले बता दिया जाएगा कि आपका टाइम और
हाँ सबका एक शेड्यूल होगा।
जिस हिसाब से सीटिंग है ना उस हिसाब से मैंने क्वेश्चन लाइब्रेरी में बुक्स में पूरा
और आज ये आज अभी एडजस्टमेंट
चीज़ें जो है प्रोसेस में है आ रही हैं जैसे सब
अभी ये पूरा अब सारा प्रोसेस अब एक एक बुक के सर ये लीगल एड
उनसे इनकी इंट्रैक्शन होगी।
CCI का वो
हम लोग बैठे जब सेमिनार को भी करो एक वीक ईयरली होगा।
हाँ तो ये सारे सामान जो है बॉम्बे या दिल्ली से आते हैं। हाँ
गर्ल्स वाले में वायरिंग आएंगे और बॉयज़ वाले में गर्ल्स नहीं आएंगे। अलग अलग रहेगा।
आप लोग देख लीजिए अंदर आकर के।
सर गर्ल्स के लिए टॉयलेट है नीचे बॉयज टॉयलेट होगा बट गर्ल्स का टॉयलेट नहीं है।
उस साइड है
मतलब सीटिंग वैसी ही रहेगी जैसे लास्ट में हमने देखी।
इन लोगों का वो हाँ UPS का है फार्मा
ये कैंटीन एरिया है।
एक कैंटीन इधर भी है
वो भी कॉमन होती है BSF के लिए भी और इसके लिए भी।
सर्दी में थोड़ा और मजा है।
चारों तरफ ऑफिस है इसके पीछे स्टाफ क्वार्टर्स है और उनके आ गए सिर्फ आज एक अंदर आइए ये छोड़ के आ गए नेक्स्ट गर्ल्स
यहाँ पर फर्नीचर सब ऐसी वगैरह सारा सिस्टम सेट हो एसी को लगाए बच्चे मेन थिंग लड़कियों का है।
ये तो वाटर के
साइड से डाले रूम में सब एसी अवेलेबल होगा।
अभी तो सब पे ऑप्शन
गर्मी में तो चाहिए होगा सब, सर्दी में
ऑप्शन में इस समय तो गर्मी में सबको एसी चाहिए होगा, कोई ऑप्शन वाले नहीं होगा।
जब तो सब ऑप्शन लेंगे तो लगवा देंगे।
नीचे की हाइट नीचे और आधा ऊपर
नीचे नहीं एक ऑफिस के लिए गर्ल्स के लिए नीचे उनके स्टूडेंट्स
बीबीएस सब
गर्ल्स। हाँ मतलब हॉस्टल गर्ल्स का है।
अच्छा अंदर सेक्शन
और ये पीछे जो है ये इसीलिए सर हम लोग बॉयज़ के लिए आप लोगों को यहाँ पे सिर्फ बाहर से दिखाने के लिए ले जा रहे हैं।
जो गार्डन के लिए
ये भी बिल्कुल लिखो
सर एसी अगर सबने ऑफ किया तो सारे रूम्स में लग जाएगा, इतना है लोड का प्रोविजन। और क्या लिस्ट मिलेगी हमें, क्या क्या बच्चों को लाना है अपना और क्या क्या आप
वो सब बताया
वो सारा चीज़ सिस्टम अपडेट कर दिया जाएगा।
ठीक है। और कोई ड्रेस कोड
ड्रेस
आ जाएगा,
साइड पे भी आ जाएगा।
फोन नहीं मिलता
नॉन है। सबके लिए है।
नाइट ज़्यादा थर्टी तो नहीं हुआ जमा तो प्रॉब्लम है। एक दिन डेट एक्सटेंड करा दीजिए प्लीज़।
So before we proceed, we'll have a short
With over 3 decades of teaching experience, she is renowned for her exceptional contributions in environmental protection and women's empowerment. As a member of prestigious statutory bodies like the Legal Education Committee of the Bar Council of India, the General Body of the Authority, she continuously contributes to the development of legal education and the legal profession in India. She has had the honor of presenting her research work at numerous international academic platforms in countries such as the USA, Canada, the UK, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Australia, China, Singapore, South Korea, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Nepal and Bhutan in 2000.
at the stage of preparation. Some of the items have reached the campus. Some of the items, 3 trucks at least are there in transit, carrying our all those things which we require, particularly hostel, mess, furniture, the seminar room, furniture, etc. Even some of the furniture of my home. So our 3 trucks are in transit. At least one I know. I still waiting at the gate of the factory so that when the things are items are ready, they can be loaded and taken. But the thing is that do you know that there are some of the NLUs who have just started from the garage or the storerooms? Yeah. So in that sense, I think we are a little bit blessed. We got really good campus wherein you get the students who can hang out after the classes are. So the big bonds, even though I mean when you go to the hostels, both boys hostel and the girls hostel, but whatever there is, maybe this tennis and racket or football, volleyball or whatever demand will come from you, whatever you would like to play. In the evening after the classes, we will provide you. So some of the things if you could think of, we are providing, others will come from you. And I really want my students to be learning because only then we can grow. Okay. And this place is, of course, as you have seen, maybe a transit campus, and very soon we are going to move to our permanent campus. If you have come here, if you have the time, you should visit that also. It's near the airport. It's hardly 4 kilometers away from the airport. And work has already started there. If you go there, it is already warm, and the work is started there. And whatever information is with me, and that is that they are saying within 2 years it will be ready. But I say, even though you are half ready, we will try to move in there because I think we can manage that kind of thing. So those of you who are admitted here, you have to spend just 1 year, at the most 2 years in this campus, and thereafter you will move on to your own big, sprawling campus. And of course, with the state-of-the-art facilities. We are having one video of our permanent campus, all those kind of the buildings and this which will be playing here, so that you can have an idea. So most of your part in the 5 years, most of your the part is going to be spent in our permanent campus because it is not in papers, it is very much there on the ground, and I'd say you go and see, you will find people that they have started working there. We have just started with a batch of 60. Some of my colleagues, vice chancellors of other NLUs have asked why you are starting with only one batch, not five. I know that you have asked for 2 sections, you have asked for 2 streams, etc. But I was of the firm opinion that since we are in the transit campus here, we will take this more with firm steps. And because it's not a matter of how many we are having them. What matters is operating in them. How many students have a law school was starting? Only with 10 students. 10 students and 6 faculty members. And you know where it stands today. It is much sought after by all that. So that's a different story. Those who will become a student here, I will tell you how it has built up and how difficult it was for our law school to build up. The first 50 years happened to be only 4 in our law schools. It was only after 50 years that it had begun to rise. Anyway, that's a different story. And one thing I would like to highlight here, that is the interest and the contribution of the Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court, who is our Chancellor, and the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. When I took over as the Vice Chancellor of this university, I went to meet Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and I could really feel that what is this? It is really an ambitious project for him. He said, पिछले 2 सालों से हमारा सारा जो बजट का पैसा खराब हो गया. We really want this take time, at least 5 years, because 2029 will be the deciding year. Where do we stand? How well you begin and how firm you begin, that also matters. You say, well beginning is half the, so that is also important. That's more important at this particular stage here. And since we are so close to the Innova Hatko, so we are having a continuous guidance from our Chancellor. Yesterday only, they came, judges from the High Court, Chief Justice and the Civil Most Judge, Justice Bhansali and Justice Ganesh Mahadevia. They came here to see all these kind of judges. I invited them and they have accepted it. I said, come here and tell us what are our shortcomings. Because unless and until a person tells us our shortcomings, sometimes you just don't know, and they were very kind enough to come here and take a down job. So yesterday I was having a campus tour with them. So, and that is how they are very closely engaged. I will say this NLU is really fortunate that it is nurtured by the persons of that particular stature. It's not only Chancellor reading books, day to day activities, they are very much engaged. So, as I said, we are having one video which we will be playing here. It's of hardly 5 minutes or so, which will give an idea where you are going to move those who will become my students. Immediately, I am planning to move there before 2 years, that is 1.5. But let's see, at least 2 years they have been safe. And thereafter, I know you must be having very many questions, very many doubts, particularly the parents of the girls. I know the Indian parents of the girls. So I'm here to answer all your doubts, all your queries, which you can raise without any hesitation. But after that, okay? continuously today. Otherwise, I was seeing it in past. Yes. Now the floor is open. Anything you like to ask?
उनसे कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ
Okay.
First one being the washroom. Because it is, we being in the urban societies do not have the ways to the Indian washrooms and stuff. Yeah. So that is one of the first things I and then about the hostel security, like how the security we had at places, because the one we saw the main doors was amazing, but maybe like what you said, the Indian parents of course need to know about, so they have this issue for me. And then one thing is about the mess. The food which would be provided there would be veg or non-veg or both combined. Because certainly would not eat non-vegetarian food, one being meat, so that would be one of the problems. Other would be laundry. We asked this question and they said that they would not be providing us with it, but we need like something ironing or dry cleaning or laundry for us to be able to do this. Also the water supply I saw was, there was just one house at the mess. Nothing else on the old floor or anywhere else would be an issue because we need cold water and stuff like that. Also about the gym and sports thing, if we would be needing those needed. Like indoor games is a good option I saw there, but then about the outdoors.
So how long is the list?
It is. We all were sitting here and we discussed a lot.
All your representing on behalf of others also.
Yeah.
Okay.
About the things we would be wanting, about the things we would be needing there, and we would have to bring them from the way. Like
Fine.
mattress,
Yes.
like appliances, curtains, stuff like that. Like the hostel availability would be okay for all of us because there were one sharing, two sharing. So वो सबके लिए हो जाएगा या नहीं would be the issue क्योंकि we were told that some would be AC and some would not be. Washroom was the thing I told you. Also on the floor there were just 2 washrooms for all the about the transportation we would be needing. If there are stores nearby the college would be good. We would have to go around now. Transportation would be for me. And then about the parents coming to meet us and visitors and emergency numbers if we can have some because there were issues contacting the university. Right. Yeah, that's it.
What is your name?
Siddhi.
Siddhi. Okay, thank you very much, Siddhi. Very many questions which you have raised. I think when I will deal with these questions, many others who will be might be asking it, they will be satisfied. Western washroom, yeah, we provide you because since you are coming from a different state, when I came from Delhi here, I was made when I just joined here in the circuit house. In the circuit house, both were there. Indian was also there, Western also. I was just wondering why this other is also there. So when we go to the new places, we get new experiences also. Maybe the people here are using more here. So even though it's a temporary campus, but we will provide that. Okay, we will make that arrangement. Security, of course, you need not worry. Why? Because whatever happens to be the security measures in terms of the guard, in terms of the warden, in terms of the other people. We will have a proper system of that, and we are going to have this hostel regulations, etc. All these. And mess, of course, you must have seen it's a big space for the mess, and we have to tender. You know, one of the things why we were a little bit slow in arranging the things happened to be this code of conduct. In the code of conduct, we could not order, right, because there's a system. You have to, order on the gem, you have to go for the tender, etc. But now it's going to be over. And then we will be having those persons who will entrust the mess, etc. But as far as vegetarian, non-vegetarian is concerned, generally it happens to be vegetarian. We will discuss it. It's a new institution. Some of the rules we have framed, but other rules let them evolve. Like what you are saying. So we will discuss it at various forums and then we will take a call. I don't know how many people would like to have non-veg. And not only veg and non-veg, how strict they are about these kind of things. The girls have to eat their clothes. So there happens to be a time, fixed time. We did all that. We do most regulations. That this time a person will come, collect the clothes, and the place also, the time also. So I think that will not be a problem. We just need to do it. Any institution has to do that. When there is a facility. Yeah, it's not like that. Maybe the customers want that. Normally kind of the things we need. Because still we are negotiating one, what we say, lounge or the meeting space, both in the boys' hostel as well as the girls' hostel. So but because since herein we have to go by, a little bit of your things also. Because if I have to take out that lounge from the mess area, and then again we have to ask them that you want to make a room here as a lawn where you can have that, but no guarantee of that. Definitely after 2 years when we will move to our new campus, there it will be. And another thing, mattresses are not provided by the NLUs, but facility for the mattresses is provided. So what is done is that when you will take your admissions, we will call the vendors here. They will display their items, mattresses, and you can choose from them. And then you have to pay. But facility will be provided. You don't have to bring it from anywhere. So you have to just, okay? And about the transportation, those things as we move on, we will see. There is a need we will have. So at this stage, I can't say anything about this. And of course, because my team also told me that some of the parents were saying if you want to come here and meet our children, then can we stay here? Definitely when we'll be having our permanent campus, surely you will be able to stay because that's a culture of NLUs. We will have our own guest house, full guest house, and then generally NLUs just charge a nominal amount from the parents but give the facility to stay there. But here there is no facility. So here if you are coming for the 1 year or the 1.5 or 2 years, I'm really sorry. You will have to make your own arrangements. You can come here, spend some time, whatever we will prescribe, the visiting hours, that is there. But here we cannot provide. Okay? Yeah. Yes? You were saying?
Western toilets for the girls was a concern which you already addressed. Because here generation they have not seen Indian toilets. Correct. So that will be a challenge. Again, laundry service you have answered. Then AC accommodation. So are there limited AC accommodations or if everything?
We have started with this because unless and until I get my students and come to know, they have to. If they all want to.
Matrix code that NLU will have or they will not have. So because अगर हमने कुछ खरीद लिया and then you come up with a dress code, that could be a challenge. So if we could know beforehand, is there going to be a dress code or not? So that is one. And then definitely co-curricular activities you have already answered. And so is the faculty already hired or where are we on this? This is one.
It's not even National Law School, it is National University. But there happens to be one day in a week when we ask our students to bring that dress. So what will be that dress code? We will let you know. Okay, but generally, we would like to make you free whatever colors, okay? You want to wear. And we will have dress code in other sense. Not dress code that you have to come in black and white, but yes, there are few things about the dress code already being discussed. Then the answer is no, not for all day, but there happens to be certain specified days, like we are having orientation program, like we are having some other program, and then we ask our students to come in the dress code. Or we may in general also, one day in a week that you have to come in this professional dress. So okay, that's uniform. But apart from that, there happens to be certain dress codes. We will see. That all depends upon what kind of lot I have got, what is the background. There are so many things which I have to assess individually and then talk about a little bit on the dress code. Knowing that after this, the very next thing for which we have to work on is the faculty.
We are already recruiting this.
Yes. And huge number of people have applied for that. So and one faculty is before you. So you can't say this NLU is headless, so faculty wise. And the whole purpose of showing the introduction was this, so that you should have a feel of faculty. What's your name?
My name is
Ronnie. Ronna. Yes.
What's about pressure?
Means
Means we will get pressure.
pressure party.
Yes.
Oh yes, we will celebrate. We will celebrate so many things. There will be so many celebration, but discipline. Because discipline is very, very important for any education institution, and is, I believe, very firmly in discipline. Enjoy the whole life, but within discipline. So we will be happy. And we will ask you, what do you like in the celebration? Or if that I will ask you to arrange. Yes, even we know.
Highly excited to be, organize stuff like this.
You will get Suman, yeah, louder.
Health facilities,
Yeah, you see, if you see our act, then you are residing in the campus is compulsory. It's a residential, 100% residential university now, and you are having sufficient hostels for you people. Since you are living here 24/7, we have to have provide you such a health facilities. You must have seen here. So we will be having our doctor. We will make sure the doctor is available here 24/7, and we have already written to the CMO for that. Yes, so that is in process. So that and the other kind of the things, whatever one ambulance also we will try to help here. What for? You see, we write the CMO, and then it is a CMO who arranges all this. And
I suggest you should have an agreement with one of the hospitals nearby. Better option.
Okay, we'll see.
Yeah, please.
We'll see. Yeah, please.
From what date are you planning to commence?
What's your name?
Pratibha. From what date are you planning to commence session?
Technically, whatever the NLs have, and generally the NLU starts July, August. In these 15 July to 1 August, they start. So let my faculty come, and then we will do more exercise there. So it's around 15 July. It may be few days here and there only, not here. Yes.
And ma'am, we have all had our fair share of research, and since an NLU is an interconnected web, and we also already have an NLU in Lucknow, would there be a constant communication between the NLUs for events or fests or even home
Yes,
calls?
naturally.
And also another
But that will be through the, like competitions,
Yeah, that's what I'm
debates,
asking.
whatever those academic kind of things we are having. They will be coming here, you will be going there. Surely.
And ma'am, another prospect of scholarship.
And not only the interaction here at the local level or at the state level, we are also thinking of giving you exposure at the institution.
If by chance somebody gets selected in another NLU, because this is still in
Let us wait.
Yeah, please, sorry.
Yeah.
And ma'am, prospect of scholarships.
all, I don't know, that's Kashmiris or SC, ST or EPS. So what are those for? No, we are not able so far.
As per its merit, like as the year goes by, first year, second year, as you participate.
Scholarship is different than gold medals. Okay, I don't know what is in your mind. If you are asking for a scholarship, no, we are not able as of now. But as we will grow, then we will see, I mean, you come to the 5th year, then definitely we will devise such as these gold medals, etc.
That's true.
Oh yes, gold medal is an integral part of any institution.
Merit scholarships.
Yes, yes. Okay. So you wanted to ask about
One thing, if this is still coming, ladies, as best or most of them, if by chance somebody selected in other really, easily refundable.
who will follow these students?
Use norms is refundable.
Who will see?
But what is your side? It is written it is not refundable.
We'll update it so because such a discussion is going on there. And the consensus is that yes, we will follow it.
Thank you.
Yes, please. Yeah, after you see, maybe through the individual mails, we'll invite you physically with all documents. There will be first physical verifications, original, you will bring the original, verification of year and your admission will be confirmed. And at that particular time only we will give you the form for the So let first the admission be confirmed. So far it is only total admission. What's your name? Devansh. Yes, what is your question? Internships? Oh yes, they are compulsory internships. We have designed our semester. We will see. We will go both ways. If you can have your own, it's fine. Otherwise, we will have. And internship again, I am saying is local, state, national, international. Don't think just of Prayagraj. We will start Prayagraj. First, we will explore Prayagraj. It is only exploring the step by step we will move. What do you say? Wow, what a word! What a word! We will have it. Then we will see. We will develop it. We go. But that's good that you are aware of this curfew. Again, we have developed certain regulations, like in the class, you cannot take that, in the library also. You will have it, we have developed regulations. What's your name? Semester means two. Just a semester. Yeah, it's semester. 1 year divided into 2 semesters. So overall you will be having 10 semesters in 5 years. We are working on that. We have prepared, but let the faculty come work on that. Let us have discussions on that. Groundwork has been done. So if it is 15 July, what of Fridays? But this was very important for me that we should have, because we were getting queries which are very valid queries. And otherwise also, we have discussed many a times that we have to arrange before you pay the full fee. So, and I made it a point that it has to be before the last day for full fee. That is a criteria. Because it's very important that you have to satisfy this. It's very important. We know the importance and the value of your satisfaction. So, is that so? We'll work on that and when we have the finalization. Otherwise, we may tell you, groundwork is done. Yeah. Your name?
The problem with the landlines here.
lately we have it when it was not functional, when it was not properly functional, but I see it because it's technical thing. There are three numbers which we do. Yes.
But all three numbers are not actually we have to get
ठीक है, I see.
Every time I order at the university to get some update, so we pay the full fees. And I didn't get any, email from the SBI bank, so I was kind of worried. So I kept on calling on all three numbers. It was like somewhere around 12 to 30 times.
I have noted it down, even though we are receiving many calls. It's not that we are not receiving any one day, we are not receiving any call. We are receiving many calls, but it may have no matter because you must be saying, I'll see what is the issue.
Can we have a mobile number also 10 to 5 actually we can contact us?
So then I have to arrange first for office mobile number.
I belong to Prayagraj only, but I will be staying at the hostel. So my parents and I share a concern that will I be allowed to leave for my home for the weekend?
Yes, yeah, there will be a system, you have to give the application, then you have to take the permission and all that. We will see whether every weekend or what. We will devise a system for that, but definitely we will provide it.
Going to 5 days or 6 days?
Again, discussions are going on. What do you want? 5 days or 6 days?
7 days.
So, when you are having another round of discussion, personal, you want to bring a personal vehicle? We will not have you to ask you this question. You know what happened in Patiala NLU? Incidentally, I was there. That very day I was there. But this has happened. And I'm really thankful to you that you have asked this question. What happened? They also do not allow no NLU allows any student to bring their private vehicles. No NLU. Not even that NLU. But then there happens to be parents who are very, really very, concerned in their own ways about their children. They have provided the cars and they were parking it outside the university. You know, those dhabas around the etc. And it was the last day, the examination they wanted to celebrate. And unfortunately that incident has happened. Therefore I say celebration with discipline is very important. How to celebrate is more important than just having celebration. So no private vehicle of any student.
Not even second, sir.
We will see that. Or maybe we will, at least here there will not be at least not that big campus and we will be having our own. So at least we will not, so long as we are here. Or maybe that we may contact, we may take contact from him also and have our separate kind of cafe. That is already, we have developed regulations. It's not only mess, thereafter also. Apart from the mess also, we provide certain facilities for that. It's already there.
Is there in your campus also?
In the campus.
Right now in the campus, otherwise in your own campus.
What I am telling now is not here, but like on the road, here over. When you go in between the Kedri block and the hostel.
I am saying that we will shift to our own building.
I told many times, at least 2 years I know.
नहीं 2 years के बाद अपन वहाँ कुछ खाने का है
सब एग्जाम होगा, सब करने का वहाँ पूरा एग्जाम होगा, वहाँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा एग्जाम होगा. I think I have at least been there that way. Because that will be our own Okay, let me have anybody in the first round? Because she wants to ask again. Nobody? So, I'm giving floor again to her. Maybe she will wind up. Starting and wind up.
No, I was concerned about the Wi-Fi connectivity.
That we are unsure. We know that. I have to have made you receive it Wi-Fi. Yes. You think what we are saying that our students should receive it Wi-Fi. We are thinking to have a good system of sports. So that we can really utilize your energy in a creative and positive manner. So sports we are going to have certain strong, whatever it is. And Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi I'm very much concerned. Very much concerned. Naturally, that's a lifeline these days. The persons and things. Okay? So thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming here and asking your question that I have been really looking for. And I hope you enjoyed and your questions have been answered. There are, and we'll keep engaging you in the coming times also. So you must be feeling hungry because some of you have arrived here at 7:30. I think the tea is ready. Yeah? So tea must be.
So when you need a feedback about what you felt like today, won't take more than 2-3 minutes. Wait a minute, I have a bigger version available. And please note down one email ID, it is already on the website, but still, for any admission related query,
खाना खाई जाने मतलब आपने